Hey beauties! Today I'm showing you how to take your hair from flat and droopy, and we're going to go ahead and transform it into this voluminous, juicy, defined mane. So today we're focusing 100% on volume. I don't have my full curly girl routine in this video, but I will link it later. And also I'm going to be sharing some bonus tips for wash day to keep your hair looking voluminous longer, so stay tuned. Hey beauties, it's Tara Marie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to maximize your volume. So if you saw in my little intro clip, I'm showing you how to take your hair from flat, freshly washed, sleeping, your hair is flat when you wake up in the morning, to nice, big, fluffy, voluminous hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right on in. So for today's video, I'm starting out with day 2 hair. I did do my full wash and go last night and I slept on it, and this is what it looked like today. If you want to see my full wash and go routine, wash routine, I'll go ahead and put that video up in the iCard above. So if you want to go watch that first and then come back to this one and see how to up your volume on day 2, 3, and 4 hair, then go watch that one and then come back. But today we are focusing strictly on volumizing your hair after you've already done the whole curly girl process. Whatever process you do, this video is showing you how to get that volume after your hair is dry. So my tools today, I'm just going to be using my handy dandy pick. I got this at Target. It came in a pack of 2 for like $5 or something like that. So I have my pick. And then for shine, I have my coconut oil. This coconut oil I got from the Dominican Republic when I was there, and it was organic. Fun fact, if the coconut oil is completely white without any kind of tinge to it, it's most likely not organic, and it has a couple of additives and fillers in there. So make sure that when you buy your coconut oil, make sure it's 100% organic so that you're getting all the benefits and you're not getting into that cheap, hand-me-down, fake-out coconut oil. This video won't be super long. I'm just going to be showing you what I do to maximize my volume. And like I said, I go ahead and I have my pick. First, before I start doing my fluffing process, I am going to refresh a little bit. And to do that, I'm going to be using my spritzer. This is a leftover Lush bottle, but I just have some water in here. So I'm just going to take that and give my hair a quick little refresh. And I'm spraying it on especially the front, because that's where I get the most frizz. So just spraying that around, making sure that I'm getting a nice little even spritz all around my hair. And then flip it over on this side, doing the same process. And then I'll go ahead and flip it over and scrunch. And I'm scrunching it gently. So scrunch gently to make sure that you're not encouraging frizz. You're just squeezing that moisture in there and preparing your hair for this volume that we're about to do. So next, I like to go ahead and maneuver my hair in the style that I want. So by that I mean if I want a side part for that day or if I want a middle part. And for today I'm going for, I don't know, what do I want to do? I think I'm going to go for a middle part today. So I'm going to go ahead and pull my hair, gently pull it down the middle. All right, that looks pretty good to me. So I don't do like a hard part. I just kind of move with my hand where I want my hair to go. And then the first thing I do, I'll go ahead and just start fluffing the curls, picking it up with my hands and shaking them out, and then just letting them fall. So grabbing it just so that all the layers are nice and separated, because after you take out your pineapple, your hair is pretty flat. And then what I'm also doing is I'm bringing my hair a little bit to the front, so that in the front I have all this beautiful volume. And so when I start to gently spread my hair apart again, you can already see that my hair is starting to be just a little bit fuller. So the next step here is to take the handy dandy pick. And with the pick, what you're gonna do, I like to start underneath my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this portion of my hair here. I'm gonna pick up a big section except for the underneath part. And I'm gonna take my pick, and you're gonna go in and lift the root up and out just slightly. And then you're gonna drop that section of hair. And then you're gonna repeat that with each layer. So starting at the bottom, I'm going in, lifting up a little bit, in, lifting up a little bit, and drop. I'm grabbing a little bit less hair, in, up, and drop. And then I'm going to repeat this all around my hair, just so I'm making sure that I'm maximizing my root volume. And for the back, you can just go up and then just repeat this process all throughout your hair.
Just when looking at you, open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time. And I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my side. Just when looking at with you forever all the time. And I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my side. Hold out your hand, yeah. Every day you're with me.
So when you're done, you'll have something that looks a little bit like this. It is much fuller in this area right here, and then throughout the day you can always bring your pick with you and also do a couple of these to make sure that your curls are always nice and fluffy and falling in the place that you want it. Some extra bonus tips that I can give you for achieving volume. My hair doesn't really like clump too much, but if you have the type of curls that clump a lot, going in and taking a little bit of oil on your hands and separating those curls will also help you with volume. Drying your hair upside down when diffusing will help you with volume, along with applying your styling products in the shower. Like I apply my leave-in conditioner when I'm in the shower, and when I do that, I flip my head upside down and comb it out with my head upside down to help lift my hair off of the roots, to help lift my roots off of my scalp, which helps me with volume as well. So if you combine all of these tips together, you should be able to maximize your volume. Typically on day one hair, I really struggle. I don't have any volume on day one, so I can only do this on day 2, 3, 4, 5. My hair is most likely in a bun, so I won't be doing that. But I hope you enjoyed the tips in today's video. If so, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I upload every Tuesday and Thursday, so join the Terror Squad, and I'll see you next time. Bye.